is one of the single largest microinverter sites ever. We're excited to work with UMEnergy Energy, and I'm going to kick it over to them to tell you a little bit more about today's installation.
This is Frank with UMEnergy. Excited to be on site with Team Yotta today. We're doing an install behind me here, 1.3 megawatt rooftop. Yotta's been right here with us every step of the way. We couldn't ask for a better support.
We're on site, really excited to have that opportunity to showcase our low voltage architecture, our dual power inverters, and they're also going to come back late Q4 to deploy 500 kilowatt hours of our solar leaf battery panel level technology.
The grid racking system allows us to complete pretty much the whole project prior to setting the panels. The wire management utilizing these versus utilizing string inverters is just night and day. We save so many man hours by utilizing this hardware. We're really excited about the direction it's headed.
Couldn't ask for anything better than working with Team Yotta.